Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to transcribe voice notes in Samsung Notes. So recording audio is great, but finding something inside a long voice note, not so much. Now, Samsung Notes can transcribe your voice recording into text automatically. So here's an example. You can go ahead and open up your notes, go ahead and create a new note. And now just say, for example, you're in a lecture room and you don't want to listen to what the lecturer is saying. Instead of this, you can go ahead and record whatever the lecturer is saying to you, and then you can go ahead and transcribe this. So first, if you want to go ahead and record that audio, what is being said, tap on the plus sign, then tap on voice recording. Now, whatever I'm saying is being recorded on this note. So now once I'm done, I'll press stop. Now, once you've recorded this, you can go home and now in your own time, open up the notes. Go ahead and tap on the Samsung Galaxy AI icon here, and then tap on transcribe. Now this will basically analyze your audio, what you recorded, and it'll transcribe it into English. And now you can go ahead and point any words, and this will show you where exactly this is in the audio. You can go ahead and insert this into your Samsung Notes. So this saves time compared to typing. It makes searching through your notes simple and quick. This is ideal for students, professionals, and content creators, and it turns a messy voice note into organized, searchable text. So there you go, guys. That is how to transcribe voice notes in your Samsung Notes.